Following the Zandia dynasty came the Qajar dynasty, and in fact, it was then that Tehran attracted their attention and became the capital. From then on, the city underwent several political, economic, and military changes. The Qajar tribe needed an organized army, and for this reason, during Napoleon Bonaparte's military rule and through the Frankenstein Treaty, a French general came to Iran to train the army. He chose a special place for this job, which at that time was considered to be outside of the city and became known as Mash Square. The National Garden was renovated by Jafar Khan Kashani from 1922 to 1925 on the former courtyard left from the Nasiriya era. Before the Azadi Tower, the National Garden was known as a symbol of the city of Tehran. The coup of 1920 in Tehran, the goddess of victory, the image of the Iranian leopard, and pictures of Qajari soldiers are depicted on the tiles of the National Garden gate. The city town hall was built in 1936 for the Tehran City building in the south of Mash Square. The architecture of this building is called Iranian neoclassical architecture because the interior and structure of the buildings are based on modern architecture. However, in its decoration and facade, ancient architecture has been used. In 2002, the Ministry of Foreign Affairs bought and restored some of these buildings. In addition to the exterior, the interior of these buildings, including the Mirror Hall, which was an official meeting place, was very unique.